Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Today's video is not the video that I said was gonna go up, and yes, I am missing 2 nails. It is what it is. So I let's try this again. I was interrupted by my mom on the phone because I texted how are you doing, and she's just called me. And we're not a family that talks on the phone, okay? Let's put that out there. So the only time that we've ever really talked on the phone was when something's wrong. Nothing was wrong. It was just she didn't want to text it also. Anyway, hi. I'm not gonna lie and say life got in the way. I am just gonna say that I got lazy and didn't feel like filming on my day off. So there's that. So coming Tuesday, that is gonna be my trying out the Snarls box stuff, and I'll probably throw up a favorites video. And then I got the new Blend Bunny palette. I also got the Michaela Glamlight Part 2 palette collection, entire collection. I have a lot of stuff to try out. So yeah, let's jump into this video. I never actually said what this video is gonna be. So I am actually not on any brand's PR list, but I have been sent some items from some brands. Some of it I have tried, some of it I have not. This is not me bragging, first and foremost. This is just me being so excited that I actually had some opportunities come my way. Do I wish I was on PR for some brands? Yes, but I have enough makeup as it is. I can't afford to buy my own makeup, so I don't really need to be on PR, but it would save me a lot of money if I didn't have to buy the stuff. So first of all, I signed up for Octoly a couple months ago, and I was finally approved for it, and that is how I got majority of the stuff sent to me. Octoly is a site that you sign up for, you link your socials, and then it has different, like, there's makeup on there, skincare, lifestyle stuff, blah blah blah, different brands, different products. So you pick the product that you are interested in trying. This doesn't guarantee that you'll get it, but then you pick it, you you submit that you want it. That's what I'm trying to say. You submit that you want the product, and then it gets sent off to the brand. If the brand accepts you, you'll get an email from Octoly saying, yay, you've been approved, and then you'll get an email later on when the item ships. So a lot of stuff I've tried has been from Octoly, and I've been very happy with a lot of stuff that I've gotten. 2 things I don't actually have with me because I used them already. I got hair color from there. So back in the end of May, I went orange with my hair. I got a product from Madison Reed. It was a orange, like, matte hair mask thing. I forget exactly what it's called, but I'll leave it down below if you're interested in it, and I'll pop up a picture right here of what it actually is. But I tried that out. Most of the stuff I'm talking about I have done TikToks for, so if you're interested in that, you know, hit me up on TikTok. But I used that and I really liked it, and I love the orange color that I got, so I was happy with that. And then flash forward like a month later, when everything fell apart, I went to this color. Now this color is faded a lot, but this is from the brand IGK. They sent me a reddy brown color. I forget the name, but again, I'll pop up the product right here. I really liked it, and I liked it enough that I bought 2 extra boxes. They're $25 each at Ulta. I bought 2 boxes for when I touch up my hair, which I think will be this weekend. But moving right along, I was sent the LMS Pro Collagen Summer Bloom Cleansing Balm. I've only made a small dent in this, and that is because I got this right before my surgery when I had my wisdom teeth out, and then if you saw my life update, you know what happened after that. And I just haven't been wearing a ton of makeup. But I do like this. I don't think it works as well as my Pharmacy Green Cleanse, but it is gentle. I like the scent of it. It's not like overpowering, but it's just a very lovely scent, and I do like LMS as a brand. I have one of their moisturizers, which is like $120. Like, oh man, it's expensive, but it is really good, and I'm interested in LMS skincare. Nothing of what I am talking about is actually in order of what I got, but you know, it is what it is. I got 2 products from Kinship. These were sent at 2 separate times. This one is the Self Reflect Probiotic Moisturizing Sunscreen. I have been using this so much, and it is just lovely. It's very glowy. It has a little bit of a tint to it, but it doesn't really show up on my skin, I don't think. It is just very nice. I've been trying my darndest to wear sunscreen more, but this is just a very lovely product. It works wonderful under makeup, and I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up, but you just see how glowy that is. It's just so nice under makeup. I just love it. And I was also sent the Super Mellow Moisturizing Cream. This stuff smells so nice, almost like a marshmallow, kind of vanilla-y. It is just a wonderful moisturizer. I love it the most for makeup application. It just sinks into the skin so nicely. It doesn't, like, you know how sometimes you put a moisturizer on and like kind of feels peely or something? Not peely, like under your makeup. This doesn't do that. It is just super moisturizing, and my skin needs that because my skin is super dry, but it is lovely. But I like pairing the Super Mellow and the Self Reflect sunscreen under my makeup, and that's just chef's kiss. Purely sent me a Blush Glow BB cheek color. I have it in the shade Sunset Glow. It is a beautiful orange, and again, I did a TikTok on this, but it is just a lovely color. I used this on my eyes, my cheeks, and my lips, and it's just a wonderful color. It blends out so nicely, and it lasts for a very long time. I would be interested in trying out more colors from Purely's. I don't think I've tried many Purely's products, but I'm very happy with this one. I did have this brand from TikTok. I don't know if they're just a TikTok brand. I think they're actually a makeup brand on Amazon. Don't quote me on that. I don't quite remember. But this brand contacted me. They wanted to see if I was interested in trying out a product from them, and they sent it to me, and they ended up sending me the Starry palette. It is from the brand You Can Be. This is a 16 color glitter palette, and this is what it looks like. It is very pretty. I mostly like the first 3 rows. This bottom row is like kind of like chunky. It has like little stars and circles and stuff in it. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up. It's a little too chunky for my liking because it's like a sheer with chunk, not like a solid color and chunk, which I would prefer, but it's not bad. I don't typically gravitate towards glitter palettes because I find them to be extremely messy, but this one was easy to work with, and I have a video of me using this up on my TikTok. Another brand that I found on TikTok actually reached out to me asking if I was interested in receiving some products to try out and review on my TikTok. That brand was Medusa's Makeup. So they sent over the Electro palette, and it's just this nice little rainbow palette. It's sort of like a darker rainbow. It's not super bright, and then you have like the black and the white, silver and gold. And I've tried this, and I do really like it. It's very pretty. This silver is like so pretty. I love it. And then they also sent out a couple other items along with this palette. One being the Witchy Liner, which is a, like, I'm gonna try to say felt tip on one end, and then an actual wing stamp on another. Very cool. Tried this out also on TikTok. Everything I'm talking about has pretty much been on my TikTok. And I also got this lipstick. It is the shade Whoopee. It is a beautiful red shade. Awkward swatch. But as red, it's like a reddy orange. Really like that. And they also sent over the Astro Halo Glow highlighter stick. I haven't had the chance to try this on my face yet, but I've tried everything else. But I have swatched it. It has like a blue reflect in it. Medusa's Makeup was very kind to me. One, because they sent the stuff to me, but I did say that I was going to be able to try these products out and put videos out on my TikTok once I healed from my surgery, but then, you know, we found out about my dad, and then everything got pushed back, and they were just super kind and understanding, and that makes me respect the brand a lot more because they are just super nice. Great team over there. Moving right along, I got some products sent to me from the owner of LEJ Beauty. She is such a wonderful, wonderful woman, and she's so hardworking. I think this weekend is actually, or next weekend, I forget which one, but coming up is her 1-year brand anniversary, and just all the products I've tried from her brand have just been amazing. And you know, if you're gonna check out any brand, check out LEJ Beauty. But she was kind enough to send me a few items to try out, even though I have bought everything else that I own from LAJ Beauty. She was very nice and sweet to send me a few items. So the first one that I'm most excited for is the You Are Loved Pride Liner. It's one of the best ones I have tried. It is just so pigmented and so easy to use, and I just absolutely love this. I've done a couple of videos using this one also. She also sent over these lashes that I've already used and cut down. These are style Savage, and they are pretty much all like one length across, which isn't my favorite, but they are so bold. I just love them. She also sent over her adhesive liner. This is a black eyeliner that has basically adhesive glue in it for your lashes, and it's amazing, and I love this, and I just think it's wonderful. I think everything I got was wonderful. And the last two things she sent me were her eye pencils in Scarlet and Lemonade. I have tried both of these. I know I've tried the red. I should have used the red today, but I wanted a different sort of red. They are very pigmented, very creamy. They go in the waterline very easily. But I just love it. It's ketchup mustard. It's perfect. I love it. LAJ Beauty, you gotta check them out. And now here's the fun part of stuff that I haven't tried yet because I just received it. So this one is a package from Saturday Skin. I was chosen on Octoly to try out their Melt and Cleanse. It is a cleansing balm, sort of like the Elemis one and the Pharmacy one that I talked about. So I'm very excited to try this, and my review, first impression, whatever, is going to be on TikTok soon. I was also lucky enough to be chosen by Kinship again to receive another product for review. It is a 10% glycolic acid resurfacing serum. Very, very excited to try this out. My skin definitely needs something like that, and hopefully I can give a decent review. I want to try to test it for like over a 2-week period, just to see if I've noticed any skin change, and then go from there. And then the last box, I was actually surprised when this brand reached out to me because I didn't know that they knew I existed. And that brand is Kaja. I actually have 2 Kaja products. I have a blush stamp and a lipstick, and I really like what I have. And they, reached out to me in emails like, we want to send you some stuff to try. I was like, hell yeah, hit me up. And they sent over 5 products. So I have another blush stamp. This is in the shade Koi. I forget which one I have, but I don't think it's Koi. And then I have a gloss that was sent over. I actually haven't even opened these. Oh, it's just a clear gloss. I think I own like 2 other clear glosses. And this is a Beauty Bento box. It has just some neutral shades in here. Little eyeshadow thing. And this is the Wink Lash Trio. It is the Volumizing Lengthening Mascara and Lash Primer and Brow Serum Gel. Very exciting, very intrigued. And then the Wink Stamp. This is an eyeliner and a wing pen stamp thing. Sort of like the Medusa's Makeup one. And I'm super excited for this, for everything. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that I've gotten. And please, I hope you're not taking this as me being bragging. I am the least braggy person ever, mainly because I self-deprecate too much, but that's a whole nother story. I don't know if I will do a video like this again. Like I said, I don't get PR, so it's not like I can do PR unboxings. But if you'd like to see a roundup review of products that were sent to me that I've tried, and I can do like quick mini reviews over them in a video, I could do that, no problem. Can't guarantee I'm gonna get a ton of products sent to me, but it is what it is. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap up the video because I don't know what else to talk about. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you like it, give it a thumbs up, all that jazz. And also follow me over on my other social medias. I am artistryxashh everywhere, and I just want to say thank you again for watching this video because I am a very thankful person today. In general, thankful. Thank you. But yeah, I'm gonna go. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys all on Tuesday with a brand new video. Bye!